Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to bind Xref. So I will insert Xref by using the Xref command and click attach buttons. I will use these drawings, click open, click OK. Now you can click in drawings, and for scale I will set into 1, Y scale 1, and the next for the rotation 0. Click OK, and you can use a zoom extents to view the attached drawing. So if you want to bind this Xref to your drawings, you can tap again Xref, press enter, and it will be show for the Xref manager. Select the files, and after it you can click the bind button. Click OK, and then OK again. So the Xref object will be automatically bind into your drawing. Okay, that's it for basic AviCAD tutorial how to bind Xref.